So, what is Shivapat? See the uniqueness of Shivapat. See, what does Shivapat do? What is the uniqueness of Guru Nath's work in Shivapat? What is Shivapat? The raising of mass consciousness of the people. The raising of the mass consciousness of the people to a thoughtless state of enlightenment is unprecedented in the spiritual history of the modern age. Nobody gave Shivapat. What was your question? Shivapat, right?
Shivapat, Shaktipat, Pranapat.
So I'm describing Shivapat. The raising of the mass consciousness of the people to a state of thought-free enlightenment is unprecedented in the spiritual history of the modern age, where the ripples of thoughts in your mind's lake subside and your consciousness is still. No thought. You feel very peaceful. The essence of your being is with you, and you stand apart from your mind and your thoughts. And in that peace, you feel a total desireless satisfaction, and you say to yourself, this is it. I have reached home. This is the feeling. So this is Shivapat. When your thoughts are still and you go to that peace, where you feel that this is the ultimate peace, it couldn't get better. I want nothing more. When you have that feeling of peace, desireless peace, that is Shivapat. Right? Shaktipat is a transmission of, Shivapat is awareing consciousness. Shaktipat is transmitting energy. And Pranapat is breathing his prana through your breath. You understand? So transmitting energy is the Kundalini energy of this thing. Now, which you had today was more like Shivapat mixed with a little Shaktipat. Aye? It was a consciousness. It was awareing your consciousness. Do you understand? Shaktipat is from center to center, transmit energy. You feel light, vibration and sound in every energy, in every chakra. That's Shaktipat. Shaktipat is an energy which heals you from body aches and pains, from bronchitis, from asthma and all these things. Right? That is Shaktipat. And Pranapat is where the Guru transmits his Chaitanya Pran into your pranic shwas. His Chaitanya Pran is transmitted into your breath, and he pushes your breath, he breathes through your breathing.